In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space on Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized spot where you can keep your research, files, and ideas together, ready to share or revisit anytime. First, open your Perplexity account. Head to the Perplexity website or app and sign in. If you're new, create an account. It only takes a moment. And then log in so you have access to all the features you'll need. Being signed in ensures your space is saved to your profile and easy to find later. Once you're on the home screen, look for Spaces. You'll typically find it in the main navigation, either in the left sidebar on desktop or inside the menu on mobile. Click Spaces to open your library of existing workspaces. If this is your first time, the page may be empty, which is perfectly fine. That's what we're about to change. Next, click Create Space. This opens the setup view where you'll define the basics. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name for your space. Think about how you'll use it. A focused title makes it easy to recognize at a glance, whether you're organizing a class project, a client brief, or a personal knowledge hub. If you see an optional description field, use it to add context about what belongs in this space and how you plan to use it. A sentence or two can save you time later and help collaborators understand the purpose immediately. Now, customize your space with content. You can add files and photos to keep everything related in one place. Click the Upload button or drag and drop items directly into the space. Try to use clear file names so content is easy to scan. Images can serve as visual notes or references, while documents can store outlines, PDFs, and research. You can also add emojis to your space name or sections to make categories stand out and add a bit of personality. If the interface allows links or notes, include those as well to connect external resources and quick reminders. The goal is to make your space a single source of truth for your topic. When everything looks good, confirm by selecting Create or Save. Your new space will appear in your Spaces list, ready to open, edit, and build on. From here, you can return anytime to add more files, refine the title or description, and keep your work neatly organized. That's it. You've created a space on Perplexity AI. Keep your titles clear, your uploads tidy, and your notes concise, and you'll have a powerful workspace that grows with your ideas.